Good morning, students. Today, our topic is about don't look down. So, why is it don't look down? Is it quite unique? The title of our lessons for today. But let me give you a short explanation for this. Don't look down, it means that if you are on the top of a building or a mountain, the tendency is that you might get scared or frightened when you look down. So that is why don't look down. Okay, next, we will go to have a vocabularies. Center, the middle point of a circle or sphere equidistant from every point on the circumference or surface. So the main idea here is that the middle point of a circle, that is what we call center. Okay. Next, we have helmet, a hard or padded protective hat, various types of which are worn by soldiers, police officers, firefighters, motorcyclists, athletes, and others. This gear can protect your head. That is what we call helmet. Next, we have hobby, an activity done regularly in one's leisure time for pleasure. So let me give you a sentence for this hobby. My hobby is playing chess in my computer. So I I play the game when I'm free. So that is what we call hobby. It's gone. Next, we have inside, the inner part or the interior. The example of this that we are inside the classroom. Okay. So that is inside. Next, we have outside, the external side or surface of something. Outside, um, the swimming pool is outside of the classroom. Okay, that is outside. Next, we have peaceful, meaning free from disturbance or tranquil. Let me give you the example. If you are on the mountain, you are free from disturbance from the noise of vehicles. So you have a peaceful moment. Rock climbing, the sport or activity of climbing rock faces, especially with the aid of ropes and special equipment. So rock climbing, it is a it is a sport that can be done to outside or inside. So how can I say that? Because inside, meaning you can do to the sports center because there is a special wall for rock climbing. So outside, you can go to find some rock formation that is high, and you can do a rock climbing. Next, we have rope, a length of strong cord made by twisting together strands of natural fibers. So rope, you can see this thing in construction supply. So and I think you can use this to your scout. Uh, yeah. And next we have scared, fearful, frightened. So that these are the other words. Scared. Let me give you this example. I'm scared of a ghost, or I'm scared of snake. Uh, that is the example of scared. Next, we have scenery. The natural features of a landscape considered in terms of their appearance, especially when picturesque. So, scenery, it is beautiful if you are on the top of somewhere. You can see a beautiful landscape of something. So that is what we call scenery. So and now you have the activity to do uh, the instruction here. I forgot to change, but I will give you the instruction. Get your notebook and a pencil and write your name, grade, section, and your student number. And number 1 to 6. You can answer this based on what you see in this picture. Okay? Like, for example, is this a climb, helmet, rock, rope, scenery, or wall? So you can write the best answer for this number. Okay? I'll give you time to answer this uh, um, activity. Next, uh, we have a direction here. Fill in the blanks. So we have these blanks or gaps. Write the best answer. So we have scared, scenery, rope, hobby, helmet. These words are from our vocabulary. So if you still remember the meaning of these words, you can have a perfect answer for these 5 questions. So let me read for you. A hard or padded protective hat. So from this word, you can have an idea. So is it scared, scenery, rope, hobby, helmet? Oh. Next, an activity done regularly in one's leisure time for pleasure. Oh. Next, fearful, frightened. Oh, the other term of if you can see a ghost. Okay. So what's the other term for these words? A length of strong cord made by twisting together strands of natural fibers. This can be used when you go rock climbing. So, so it's up to you. What will be your answer for this for number 4? And then next, the natural features of a landscape considered in terms of their appearance, especially when picturesque. So that's all for today, students. And take your time to answer. If you are not sure about your answer, you can watch the video again. And bye bye. Have a good day.